welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to discuss the most important question for MEG 010, that is English study in India. So बहुत सारे बच्चे तो थे कमेंट कर रहे थे कि MEG 010 के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बता दो, तो आज हम उसके इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं. सो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ब्रिंग आउट द साइलेंट फीचर ऑफ दलित एस्थेटिक्स एज आउटलाइन बाय ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि एंड SK Limbali. Second question, why do Western critics avoid discussing the racist representation of African unconverted heart of darkness? Third, examine the formation of English literature as a discipline in the context of colonial India. Fourth, contribution of Henry Louis Vivian Dorizio to Indian English writing. Next question is, critically examine Rabindranath Tagore contribution to the development of an Indian canon. Next, discuss the issue and problem in involving distinct feminist canon in Indian English writing. Next, what is the contribution of social reform movement in India to the institutionalization of English studies? Explain. What do you understand by the term nativation of English in the context of Indian English? Give example. Next, comment on the circumstances in which English was introduced in 19th century in India. Next, what would you agree that the Hindu College of Calcutta propagate English studies in India? Discuss. 11th, compare Prem Chand's writing with that of Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Roy and investigate the ways in which they come to terms with the problem of language and a reader from their respective position. 12th, short essay on the link between imperialism and canon formation. 13, what are the arguments used by T.B. Mulakle in his minute on Indian education to advocate the introduction of English in India. 14, discuss Raja Ram Mohan Roy contribution to Indian English writing in pre-independence. 15, discuss Henry Dorizio literary contribution to Indian English writing. 16, would you consider Raj Mohan Vibes as conduct literature? Give reason. 17, trace the progress of English to its present position of privilege in India. 18, critically analyze the major concern of Indian English writing in the late 18th and early 19th century. And the last question is, what according to Albert said is Orientalism? How does it operates in contemporary writing? So please guys, these are the important question. इससे अलावा और भी होंगे, बट ये सबसे ज़्यादा important questions हैं MEG 10 के. सो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर लो इसी तरह के इग्नू से रिलेटेड और भी वीडियोज़ के लिए. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब.